Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. I'm Madi B from BloomFX and I will invite you to see all my technical analysis for the next week. I would like to start with BitTorrent right now, and if you remember what I said last week, BitTorrent remains one of the projects that I believe and I have invested in it, okay? And now it has rebounded from the Fibonacci 618 level and it's rising to Fibonacci 0.5. So this is what I said last week, okay? And this one, this week, it has rejected from the Fibonacci 618 level, okay? And it closed over the Fibonacci 0.5. Reason for which I will bought again and increase my capital, okay? So I do believe that the price, it should continue to go up because right now it's like price, it break through an area, came back down, create like a support, and it has to go again at least to this area, okay? And please give a like if you find this idea useful, okay? And let me continue with EURJPY, and here we have the monthly chart, okay? And for the EURJPY, again, as I said last week's, EURJPY will climb in the next few days and stay in that area, just like I told you on EJ. EURJPY made 6 green candles on the 1 month chart, okay, and which has only happened twice in last 15 years, okay? For now, I will be very reserved with this pair, and I will look for a massive sell in the first part of May, especially since W did, okay? This week, EURJPY has reached the Fibonacci 786 area, okay? So this is the Fibonacci 786 area, which it's also with the closing of the W, okay? I will wait for a rejection in the 132.600 area, okay? So I will wait for a rejection from that area, and then I will look for a sell for at least, I don't know, 300, maybe 350, 400 pips, I don't know, but I do wait for EURJPY to have a sell. Right now I would like to continue with EURUSD, and EURUSD, here we have the chart on the weekly chart, okay? And again, you can check what I said last week's, that also this pair climbed above Fibonacci 618 and closed above Fibonacci 0.5, from where even if it will climb to the 1.2150 area, it will have a 40-50 pips rejection, and then it will go up again. This week I expect a small withdrawal of 30-40 pips and an extended range, okay, and then another strong climb to 1.22400 area, okay, look for a buy, and even higher to 1.23500 area. So I do believe that the prices should continue to go up, and please, if you want to trade this pair, trade it only if you have any confirmation, okay? And please give a like if you find this idea useful, and please have a great attention that our analysis have an accuracy of over 91% due to the market manipulation during this period. We will avoid putting exactly values of stop losses, okay? Let me continue with EURJPY, and I like also this pair, okay? And here we have the weekly chart, and exactly what I said last week, I will look for a buy, and exactly as I said 2 and 3 weeks ago. And as you can see here on the weekly chart, the price rejected from this area. Okay, this week I will continue to follow a buy until the area of 0.88950 area. Okay, but first I will wait for another rejection, okay, in the area of the trend line from 0.86400 area. So I'm expecting for the price to come back down here to the trend line, reject it from here, and then to have a buy again. Okay, so wait for this move, wait for this wait for the price to come to this trend line, and then when you see that it's rejecting from this area, then you can have a buy. Okay, and please trade only when you have confirmation. Let me continue with USDJPY. And USDJPY, as I said in the last weeks, UJ closed below 108 area, and now I will look for a sell until the Fibonacci 0.5, from where I will expect a major rejection of maybe 250 pips. Okay, in this week UJ, it went up, as I said, in the 109.800 area from where it rejected strongly, and now I will look for a sell up to the Fibonacci 0.5, okay, and even lower to the Fibonacci 0.618, and from there to have a buy and the price to go up to 112.300 area. So I do believe that the price, it should continue to go down, retest again this area of 0.5 or maybe 0.618, and then from here to have a buy. So right now I will look for a sell. Let's go to GBPUSD, and this week GU retested the 1.40 area, from where I will continue to search for a sell for at least, I don't know, maybe 500 pips to close the W. Okay, so here we have the W, here we have the trend line. The price break through this trend line, and I do believe that here it's like a fake out and the price will come back down. Okay, however, a close even for 1 day over 1.41 area, okay, will make me think of a buy up to the 1.43.500 area, so somewhere here, okay, to restore the 21,188, okay, the pattern from where it will go down again. So wait for the price to come a little bit up, reject from this area, come back down. Okay, so if you find this idea, please give a like, and please try to trade only if you have the confirmation. Okay, because without the confirmation, I think that you should not trade. Let me continue with GJ. Okay, and here we have the weekly chart, and as I said last week's, GJ closed over the very strong area of 149,300 area. Okay, and now I expect to retest 150.950, and from where to the price to go back down again. Okay, this is what I said last week. This week GJ closed above the Fibonacci 618 area, and even if it will make another 50, I don't know, 50, 70 pips withdrawal, I will expect it to force the Fibonacci 786 area, okay, from where to continue the 500, 700 pips decline that we talked about in the last weeks, if you remember. Okay, and also the people that they are already in my group, they know what I'm talking about. However, a closure even for 1 day over 152.500 area will make me think of a buy up to 153, where we have 153.500 area. Okay, or even higher. So again, I repeat myself, please try to trade only if you have confirmation. So I do believe that the price, it should continue to go up, because again, right here you should see it very simple. It's like break and retest. Okay, so the price went up, create a high, came back down, create a low, okay, create like a support, and then it continued to go up. So where do you think that the prices should continue to go? At least here where we had the new high. So first, my first target is that the prices should go to 0.786 Fibonacci area, and then from there we will see. But I do believe that the prices should reject from that zone. Okay, let me continue with gold. Okay, so we still have 3 pairs. So let me continue with gold right now, and this is also the weekly chart. And if you remember, as I said last week, since March of 21 of March, gold reached, as I said, at the Fibonacci 618 area, from where I expect a major rejection until the 1760. Okay, you can read also this on my trading view on my page, where I have posted everything, and you will see that I was right. And this week, as I said, gold climbed and exceeded to 1820, okay, which is around here, but rejected from the Fibonacci zone of 0.382, okay. And from where, even if maybe he will retest the Fibonacci zone of 0.5, okay, so this is the zone, he will continue his way towards 1880 and even towards 1928. So I do believe that the prices should reject from this area, okay, coming back down, retest the 0.5 zone, and from here the price to continue to go higher. Okay, so please, again, I repeat myself, try to trade only if you have wait for the best confirmation. Okay, so please give a like if you find this idea useful and you like to trade gold. Okay, and again, have a great attention, because our analysis have an accuracy of over 92% due to the market manipulation in the last 5 months. Okay, we also recommend avoiding short-term trading during this period, because news can appear at any time that then can destabilize the market. Okay, so try to trade only with a confirmation. Let me continue with Nasdaq. This is again another project which I am involved, and this week, as I appreciated last week, Nasdaq has started a retracement move, and even if it goes down a bit around 13,140, okay, so this is the area, I will keep looking for a buy. Okay, so I will give a buy directly in the case of a closure even over 13975 for at least 1 day. Okay, so I do believe that the price should come back down, and if it's going to reject from this area, which I do believe because we are in an uptrend, then definitely I will have again a buy from here. Okay, so please give a like if you find this idea useful. And let me continue with the last one, with a win. And this one, if it closed above the Fibonacci 618 area, okay, so here we have the 618 area, and even if it has a small retracement, I will still continue to look for a buy. Okay, so for this one, I do believe that it's like, again, in my mind, it's like break and retest. The price created a new high, came back down, created a new low, okay, like a support, and I do believe that the prices should continue to go up to retest again this area, okay, of 0.0029820. So please give a like if you find this idea useful, and if you want to find more information, you can find me also on my Instagram page and on the official page of BloomFX Signals on Instagram, and you can come on my Telegram page, and there you can write me on my private message if you want to learn my strategy, and you can join for 1 week in my group for free, where I do I explain everything on my educational group, and I really invite you, if you want to learn my strategy and to see how I work. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and please give a like if you find my ideas useful, and see you tomorrow on the market. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.